Hello participants, in this video we are going to teach you how you can access our Aadharsheela tool for your practice. So let me tell you, this is only for level 2 and above, right? This activity is not for the level 1, right? Because this activity only belongs to those who have done small friend, big friend, family friend, everything, right? In terms of addition and subtraction. So let me tell you what you have to do first. So you need to go to the link tools.aadharsheela.in, right? We will provide you the link in the description. So once you will go here, so here you have options, right? If you want to access our virtual abacus tool, you can click here and you will find this virtual abacus tool, right? In case if you are missing your physical tool, so you can use this one. And on the other side, you can also do practice here. So how we can do practice? So for example, we are in level 2 and we have done all kind of addition, subtraction, small friend plus minus, big friend plus minus, and family friend plus minus. So here you can see here we have the option for the addition and subtraction. So here we have the option digits, rows, and questions. So first of all, I want to select how many digits I want just for my practice. So here I will enter 2 digits, right? And rows are 3. And how many questions I want. For example, I'm free for next 10 minutes, right? So if I want to do 20 questions, so I will put 20 here. And I will also show the timing because I just wanted to see how much time I'm taking to perform this quiz. So here I'll click on setup. So here you can find, here we have the 20 questions. So now what we can do once we will do practice on our physical tool, or we can solve this question here also. For example, I'm going to solve the question number 1. So first here we have 8080. So I'll make the position of 8, 0, 80 and plus 60. Plus 60 friend is minus 40 plus 100. But here we cannot use the big friend. So I'll take the family friend plus 100 minus 50 and plus 10. And now I need to do minus 31. So I can do minus 30 directly and minus 1 plus 9 minus 10. So my answer here is 109. So here, if I will click on display here, answer is 109, which is matching. So I can do practice in this way. So this is very good exercise to increase your speed, to check your knowledge. So if I'll talk about other mathematical operation, so here we have addition, subtraction, here we have multiplication as well, right? So if I want to sort out any questions of multiplications. So here we have 2 digits into 1 digit multiplication. And for example, if I will go with the 10 questions, so I can click on setup. So I will have this kind of questions and I can solve in the same way. So multiplication only for those who have completed level 3 and above. So you can do this. And last, here we have the last mathematical operation, which is division, right? Those who are in level 5, they can also uh, create this quiz for division. So for example, if I will go 4 digits divided by 1 digit, right? So I'll set up the quiz here. So here you can see, here we have 10 questions are generated. So keep using this website and do practice, and it will very helpful for your final test. So all the very best. Thank you so much. I hope this video is useful for you. Bye-bye.